Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. Today we begin the Plant Kingdom podcast series with the first group of plants, algae. Algae are simple, green, autotrophic plants that are very important in ecology and evolution. In this episode, we will look at their main features, their importance, and prepare for their detailed classification in the upcoming parts. Whether you are studying for NEET 2026 or revising Class 11 and 12, this episode will make algae easy to understand and remember. Let's get started. Let's see the definition and general features of algae. Algae are the simplest plants in the plant kingdom. They have a thalloid body, which means they don't have true roots, stems, or leaves. Most of them live in water, both fresh and marine. They contain chlorophyll, do photosynthesis, and produce a large amount of the world's oxygen. Algae reproduce in three ways: vegetative by breaking into fragments, asexual by spores, and sexual by gamete fusion. These features make algae very important in the study of plant evolution. Now, let's see the habitat and occurrence of algae. Algae live in many places. They grow in freshwater like ponds and lakes, and in the sea and oceans. Some live on soil, rocks, or tree bark as epiphytes. Others live in partnership with fungi to form lichens, or with animals like corals. In water, algae are an important part of phytoplankton, which forms the base of the food chain. Their size can be very small, like chlamydomonas, or very large, like kelp that grows several meters long. Now, let's see Thallus Organization of Algae. The body of algae is called a thallus. It is simple and does not have true roots, stems, or leaves. Algae show different forms. Some are unicellular like chlamydomonas. Others are colonial like volvox. Many are filamentous like spirogyra. The largest algae, like kelp, are multicellular and can grow several meters long. Now, let's talk about reproduction in algae. Algae reproduce in three main ways. Vegetative reproduction happens by fragmentation, like in spirogyra. Asexual reproduction occurs through spores such as zoospores or aplanospores. Sexual reproduction is of three types: isogamous, where gametes look alike, anisogamous, where gametes differ in size, and oogamous, where a large female gamete fuses with a small motile male gamete. Now, let's talk about beneficial uses of algae. Algae are very important for the economy. Some, like green algae ulva and red algae porphyra, are used as food. Algae provide phycocolloids such as agar, carrageenan, and algin, used in food and industry. Some, like sargassum and gracilaria, are used as fertilizers. Algae can also be used to make biofuels and are helpful in medicines and cosmetics because of their vitamins and antioxidants. Now, let's talk about harmful effects of algae. Algae are useful, but they can also be harmful. Algal blooms, caused by rapid algae growth, reduce oxygen in water and can kill fish. Too many nutrients in water, called eutrophication, make harmful algae grow. Some algae produce toxins, like those in red tides, which can harm humans and marine animals. In farming, some blue-green algae can damage crops like rice if they grow too much. Knowing both the benefits and dangers of algae is important for ecology and human use. Let's quickly recap what we learned about algae. Algae are simple, green, thalloid plants that mostly live in water or moist places. They can reproduce vegetatively, asexually, or sexually, including isogamy, anisogamy, and oogamy. Their body ranges from single cells like chlamydomonas, to colonies like volvox, filaments like spirogyra, and large seaweeds. Algae are useful as food, phycocolloids, biofuel, and fertilizers, but they can also be harmful. causing algal blooms and toxins. Here's a challenge question for today. Which of the following is not a type of sexual reproduction in algae? Is it option A, isogamy? Is it option B, anisogamy? Is it option C, oogamy? Or is it option D, binary fission? Comment your answers or send them to us on Telegram or Instagram. That's all for today's episode on the salient features of algae. We learned about their definition, body structure, reproduction, habitat, and their benefits and harms. In the next episode, we will cover the classification of algae, an overview and green algae, with key features and examples. Check out our daily MCQs and PYQs series playlist in the description and cards above. Subscribe and join us daily to strengthen your NEET biology preparation. See you in the next episode.